Hello, everyone. Welcome to VEGA Max Feed Additives Q&A. Today, I'd like to share probiotic Bacillus coagulans with you. So, what's the difference between Bacillus coagulans and the non-spore lactic acid bacteria or other probiotics? As a spore lactic acid bacteria, Bacillus coagulans has strong stability, significantly different from non-spore ones. Specifically, it is resistant to granulation, storage, and acid. There is no obvious difference between them upon lactic acid production, function, and intestinal adaptability. But Bacillus coagulans has unique properties like waterproof and catalase production so that it can retain water to prevent constipation, and catalase can help protect cells from oxidative damage. Please refer to the table below for details. There is a clear statement in this table about the difference between coagulans and other spore bacteria. You can see that each type of strain has its own characteristics. Bacillus leishmaniaformis produce peptides. Bacillus subtilis produce enzymes. Clostridium butyricum produce butyric acid. They are all spore bacteria which are rather stable, but relatively speaking, Clostridium butyricum and Bacillus coagulans are superior to Bacillus leishmaniaformis and Bacillus subtilis. In practical applications, we recommend a combination. First, Bacillus coagulans with Clostridium butyricum, and secondly, Bacillus coagulans with Clostridium butyricum and Bacillus subtilis or Bacillus leishmaniaformis. That's all for today. Thanks for your attention. For VEGA Max and detailed information is seen in vegafeed.com. Thank you.